A judge rules there is probable cause against two people charged in the death of a 2-year-old Norfolk girl.
That ruling came down within the past 2 hours. John Tucker Hardy and Shelby Love both face felony child abuse charges in the death of Love's daughter, Harley Ray Williams. And we want to warn you, much of the testimony heard in court today is disturbing. 13 News Now investigative reporter Laura Geller picks up the story.
It was emotional and difficult to sit through this hearing. We saw photos of Harley's injuries, watched body camera footage, and heard medical testimony. The judge called the evidence against John Tucker Hardy and Shelby Love substantial and overwhelming. We are not going to show you the photos of Harley's injuries from court. The judge said they are horrible, horrible photographs that show the terrible suffering of a 2-year-old. Shelby Love sobbed throughout much of the hearing. At one point, the judge asked her to calm down so she could hear the evidence. Testimony took us through the night Harley was burned by scalding water. We saw body camera footage from the Norfolk police sergeant on the scene. You can hear him saying to himself, "Calm down, calm down, calm down," as he questioned Love and Hardy. Another officer can be heard describing Harley as medics took her down the stairs of the apartment building. "You could see her skin falling off her feet," he said. An expert in pediatric child abuse reported Harley had burns on more than 40% of her body. She also described evidence of bruising and extensive bleeding on the back of her scalp. Shelby Love's attorney asked the judge to throw out the felony child abuse charge. She argued Love did the best she could when she got home to care for Harley's injuries. John Hardy's attorneys argued to get rid of the aggravated malicious wounding charge, saying there was no malice shown. Hardy contacted Love after Harley was burned, got a nurse's advice, and tried to treat the burns. In the end, the judge agreed with prosecutors who said, "We know this child suffered in agony." Today's ruling means these charges are on track to go to trial. In Norfolk, Laura Geller, 13 News Now.